Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your phone number on XM Trading. And for this we go right in the top to our profile, settings, personal information, personal details, and right now if you can see we can change your phone number. So the only thing what we can do is if you go to xm.com and we go from here to the bottom and we click here on Help Center, contact us. We can do 4 things. We can live chat with them, call them on the phone, send an email, or visit the help center. Now let's say we want to send them an email. We click right here on it and then fill in the subject, your message, maybe a screenshot, and then send it to them. And then they will answer in a few days with a solution. So this is the only way how you can ask them how to change your phone number. It's not possible to do it by yourself. So this is the solution. Hopefully I could help you out with this video. So yes, please make sure that you subscribe and give this video a like. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.